Hola from Portugal. Que bom dia. It's a nice day to go for a walk and enjoy some coffee. Today we're going to visit Porta do Café. It is located in Aveiro, the city known as the Venice of Portugal. You can find the coffee shop in this alley right behind the District Council of Aveiro. At Porta do Café, you can enjoy a variety of coffees brewed in different ways. But before we dive in, let's go back to the beginning. If you like this, remember to hit subscribe. To get to our destination, we will start our route at Parque Infante Dom Pedro, which has this beautiful colonnade that connects to a double staircase just past the park's entrance. There are two parks that we will walk through, following the red route, past the water canals and through some beautiful buildings before arriving at Porta do Café. So let's get going! To my left, under the staircase, is an artificial grotto, which is a small cave often used for religious purposes. You can't see it now, but in a future walk I will show you, or you can check out the links below in the description to learn more. On the wall in front of us, you can see some cool art. This is just one of the many art pieces that you can find in these parks. Okay, we've crossed over to the second park. These two parks are connected by a metal tree-lined canopy bridge, which you can climb up to cross over between the parks and use it to experience unique views from the top. Access to these parks are free, and they offer locals and tourists a 50-hectare green space to relax and unwind. Throughout the park, you can find a great diversity of animals and an impressive botanical collection. It's great for picnics or simply to enjoy an afternoon stroll on the various footpaths. These parks also offer a lot, like paddle and tennis courts, a skate park, football field, gym equipment, ponds, and even a bandstand for performers. As we exit the park, we approach some residential buildings and another small green space. In front of us are the water canals. It's really peaceful to walk by the canals and see the beautiful Art Nouveau buildings. Cais de Tosca is a good restaurant to enjoy some lunch or dinner if you are in Aveiro. There are many good restaurants in Aveiro, and a simple Google search will help you find them. Like walking through any Portuguese city, you will most likely walk on art. Even though walking on traditional Portuguese cobblestone can be a nuisance in heels or on rainy days, it is a beautiful sight. It is made from natural stone like limestone, which is meticulously applied by hand. Apparently, the first records date back to 1498, when streets were paved with granite to make way for the King of Portugal's annual birthday parade, which included a giant white rhinoceros, which the king didn't want to drag through the mud. Interesting. If you want to explore Aveiro by bike, The city offers a shared-use bicycle system called Buga for a small fee. There are free options, but only from the kiosk by the Mercado Manuel Firmino. On the left wall, there are ceramic tile art pieces representing the culture and history of Aveiro. In a previous video, we walked on the opposite side of the square, past the church to another cool coffee spot in Aveiro. Be sure to check out the video. Okay, we are almost there. In front of us is the District Council of Aveiro. On the far right is a school, and next to it is the Theatre House of Aveiro. We are in the alleyway behind the District Council of Aveiro. Welcome to Porta do Café. Let's step inside, grab a menu, and place our order. We tried coffee from Ethiopia with notes of mango, passion fruit, and banana. It was prepared using the V60 method. Of course, we also ordered 2 pastéis de nata, which were scrumptious. Our order totaled to €8.40, or in Portuguese, €8.40. Porta do Café has a lot to offer in terms of coffee and good vibes. The owner and barista, Carlos, is very friendly and welcoming. He is multilingual and knowledgeable about the world of coffee. Cheers! Until next time!